Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reset settings in Cairn. Let's start by opening the settings. Then select the tab you wish to reset. Let's say I want to reset the video tab. Open it and then hit the reset button. For me, it's my R key. Of course, you may be playing on a controller, for you it may be different. This should still be displayed here, and the key that corresponds to the reset action should also be displayed, so this should be of no issue to you. Then press back. There is also one more thing to note. If you wish to reset the remapped controls, first open the remapped controls and hit reset here. Confirm, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.